Welcome back to our crash test facility. Today we will be testing the durability of a modern SUV against side impacts. We will see how well this SUV protects its occupants at various speeds. This SUV is equipped with various modern safety features, including a reinforced frame, side airbags, and collision prevention systems. Let's see how it performs. We will start with a low speed, 30 kilometers per hour, to observe the initial effects of a side impact. At 30 kilometers per hour, we see significant damage to the door and side of the SUV. However, the main cabin structure appears to remain intact. The side airbag system functioned well. Next, we will increase the speed to 60 kilometers per hour. This is a more common speed encountered in urban traffic accidents. At 60 kilometers per hour, the impact is much greater. The SUV's door is crushed, and there is deformation to the cabin structure. Let's look at the data from the sensors inside the crash test dummy. The data shows an increased risk of chest and head injuries. However, the SUV's safety system appears to provide reasonably good protection. Now we will test at a higher speed, 100 kilometers per hour. At 100 kilometers per hour, the impact is devastating. The SUV is displaced from its position, and the damage to the cabin is very severe. This is a very dangerous scenario. At this speed, the likelihood of serious or fatal injuries is very high. The SUV's structure undergoes significant deformation, and the safety systems may not be sufficient to protect occupants. Now let's see what happens at 150 kilometers per hour. At 150 kilometers per hour, the SUV is almost completely destroyed. There is no hope of survival in such conditions. We will continue to increase the speed to see the limits of this SUV's endurance. Narrator. At 200 kilometers per hour, we see even more severe destruction. The SUV's structure is completely unable to withstand the impact energy. Finally, at 250 kilometers per hour, the SUV is shattered into pieces. This is a clear reminder of the dangers of high speed and the importance of safety features in modern vehicles. From these crash tests, we can see that speed greatly affects the extent of damage and the risk of injury. Modern safety features can help, but nothing can replace vigilance and adherence to speed limits.